boom. We have a house, so like 3 days ago it was like banned, so you couldn't stay inside. It was like simply illegal to stay inside. But then at 12 o'clock, ding, we got a mail, and then the ban was lifted, so now we could be inside the house again. So what happened was that I was like, okay, so we need to prepare the house, and then I wanted to create some course content and work a little bit more on YouTube content. And then I ordered some furniture that got delivered today. I ordered a fridge that will come next week, and I ordered some stuff from IKEA for the house. So everything was good. So today I was working, and then I went home. It's like 27 degrees here, and then I wanted to take a nap, so I took a nap. And then when I woke up, like 6 o'clock in the evening, then the wife told me, oh, I've rented out the house on Airbnb in 2 days on Saturday. I was like, oh. So I promised a walkthrough of the house, so I guess we'll do a walkthrough, and then I'll unbox the furniture, and then we'll see if I can make the house ready for Saturday. When we come into the house, we come in here, there's like an entrance. Then on the right side, we have a toilet shower with a rain shower, toilet. And then we have the kitchen is on the left. And then straight on, there's a triangle, square living room. So we have all the boxes here that I need to unbox and fix. And then here we have some more boxes. Then I have a small room here, and there's another bedroom here. And then when we come over here, then we have the kitchen. So it's a simple small kitchen. Come here, then there's a small hallway. Then on the left side we have the washing machine and another shower with another rain shower. Then we have a good sized room here, and then we have another like living room here. So I better get started if I'm going to finish in 20 hours. So it's 6:45 now. So now the video becomes like PG-18 to see like I lost my shirt. It's 27 degrees here in Denmark, and because it's never hot in Denmark, we don't have aircon, so that's just amazing. So I spent 10 minutes working, and then I spent 10 minutes not doing anything useful. So what happened now is that because I'm just me, then what I did is that I sorted the packages. So I have the dining table here, so it's supposed to be there, so that's why I put the box for the dining table there. Then I have a bed here, so I put the boxes for the beds inside here, and inside this room. And I have so this is a bookcase that's supposed to be here, and then I have the bed for this room. I put that one inside here, and then I put the other double bed down here, and then I have the second dining table here, and the coffee table down at this end. So that's cool. It's good, like if you're just one person, then move the boxes instead. And when I made the order for all the floors and beds, then when you make an order that's big enough, then you get the free delivery and you get the free carry-in. So that means like when they came earlier today, they carried all the stuff into the house. So that's cool. If you're just one person, then you can do that, and it saves you a lot of time that you don't need to go down to the store and pick up all the boxes yourself. Then I could always be like angry with the wife and say like, she did it on purpose and she's not sorry. She's sorry, but she's not sorry. Right? But I don't think she didn't do it on purpose. And like the cool thing is that we need to remember that peace was never an option, right? So we need to fight for things in life. If we don't take control, then someone else will. So I think it's okay. Yeah. So it's better this way. So I better start doing something useful again and unboxing some boxes. Ta-da! Then there was a bed. A funny thing is that there's like there's a manual here for the thing over here, which is kind of funny. So this is the thing. There, and then you put it there, and then you put the bed next to it. Ta-da! 3 pieces of paper used. In the past, I used to buy like a lot of stuff like secondhand. It's good for the environment, but usually it's just a waste of time. So, but I used to do that. Used to like looking at like Facebook marketplaces and such and things like that, eBay, and then I would buy secondhand stuff. There are like some cool secondhand stuff, no doubt about, like special items. But I was looking for like, can I get a bed cheaper? Can I get a table cheaper? Stuff like that. And there were good offers. The thing is that when we look at it and we like have a business, then we need to like consider how we're spending our time, how we're converting the time we spend. So if I want to make like 40 euros, $40 a little less than euros, but if that's the amount of money I want to make per hour, then unless like it's a hobby, then we can look that I can't spend that much time. So if I spend like 4 hours, that's 160 euros. If I can convert my time into money doing something useful instead. So in 4 hours, then I would have 160 euros in that example. And then I could spend the 160 euros to buy something new instead. And new things doesn't necessarily have to be that expensive. So like all the stuff here that I bought today is around $4,000, a little less than 4,000 euros for the beds. So the beds, I think they're pretty cool. Like usually they are very expensive, but we got a very good offer on them. So they're like close to $2,000 without discount for these. So like we got a good offer with buying all the stuff. So I put the new couch table there. So it's matching the dining table. And then I put this storage thing. So we have like a cool thing, like it's sort of like Amazon. So Amazon is not working like that here, but we have another company in Denmark called ProShop that works a little bit like the Amazon Prime. So that means like if I order something before 10 o'clock today, I will have it tomorrow. So tomorrow we will have the games I can put here. So that's a cool thing. So I bought some games, and usually we buy some trains for the kids to play with. I haven't ordered those yet, but it's on the to-do list. Then we put a bed here and another bed here. So I did try like putting these with the small beds. The reason why I would do that is because like if you don't have those, then people put their head on the wall and then they like scrape off the paint, and then that kind of looks bad. So it looks better with these. Like I'm not saying they're easy to clean, but like they are there. Anyways, and it took me 6 hours. So I spent 6 hours building the stuff. So there were like 31 packages of furniture that I've unboxed and then built. Yeah, so it's 1 a.m. at night now. Like I'm playing with videos now. It's getting later, but it is what it is. And then I have a second bed here. So actually, last time we rented the house out, I had the bed over at this wall, but now I flipped it over here because I want to put a closet over here, like some sort of storage, so you can put your clothes inside. It would be more optimal because we have this drawer over here with the central heating for the floor heating is inside that drawer. So it would make more sense to have the bed here, because then there's more space for a closet. The problem is that then the door would either hit the bed or it would hit the closet, and then then it breaks. So that's why I put it like this, and then I want to put the closet over here, and then we'll see if we want to put a TV on this wall. Maybe. We'll see. So so that's that, and then inside here I removed my interactive whiteboard and the boxes and half the couch, and then I put a dining table here and a couch table. So yeah, so that's that. So I have a problem, and that is that I don't have a fridge, and like I can't just go out. Maybe I can. But I can't go to the supermarket and buy a fridge, and usually like the fridges they have in stocks in the big electronic markets they kind of suck. So excuse my, I'm shutting down, right? It's like I'm going home in a moment. But I need a fridge, and I need some other stuff to finish the house. I do have some pots and pans, but that's it. I have no forks, knives and things. So actually I wanted to talk more about like mold and stuff with the house, but now I need to prepare the house. So hopefully I'll finish the house tomorrow. So I'll make another video there, and I'll see you there. If you like the video, give it a like. If you don't like it, give it a dislike. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. Else, that was all for me. If you have any comments, write them. Questions, write them down below. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.